Today I'm showing you how to turn off auto lock screen timeout on any Android device so your screen stays on longer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to Display Settings. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Display or Display and Brightness. Tap on it to access display options. Step 3. Find Screen Timeout. In the display settings, look for Screen Timeout, Sleep, or Auto Screen Off. Different manufacturers use different names, but they all control when your screen automatically locks. Step 4. Select Timeout Duration. Tap on Screen Timeout. You'll see several options: 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Select the longest available option if you want maximum time before autolock. Most Android devices offer up to 10 or 30 minutes. Important note: keeping your screen on indefinitely drains battery quickly and can cause screen burn-in over time. Only use this setting when necessary, like when reading long articles or following recipes. Alternative method: Smart Lock. Some devices also have Smart Lock features. Go to Settings, Security, Smart Lock. You can set your screen to stay unlocked in trusted locations, when connected to trusted devices, or when it detects you're carrying it. And that's it. You've successfully turned off or extended the auto lock screen timeout on your Android device.